It's just funny. I'll take a video.
I wonder what happened.
I don't know. Looks like they're moving everybody out.
Oh yeah?
It was like a little itty bitty earthquake. Like I don't.
Kind of explosion.
Something blow up.
Yeah, we'll see. That smart mouth over there, he said, the crystal ball, he says, didn't you see the ground move? I said, no, I was looking at the weather.
Well, I just felt I felt the railing shake. I just thought it was like the lawnmower guy doing something.
I felt railing shake,
Yeah.
and then as soon as he got past me, he was doing this.
Yeah.
I was going, whoa. Hey, we've had earthquakes out west.
I don't know why you call him a pig. He doesn't get paid to be a nice guy.
Wow, you have to be a jerk.
Coming. Hey, sir, how far are we pushing back? This is good for now. I want to let B, he's pushing all the way out there.
What's today's date?
23rd.
Man, I hope he wins.
Aquí esperaremos, pero no vamos a ver.
Yes.
Chcesz nowy bordura?
Yeah, probably. They don't do that. They're modern.
It's too small and too
Yeah, but we have subways up there. That's what I thought. That or they had a collision. They've been having mechanical problems.
Here comes the helicopter.
It's military mission. They got it locked down. You see that Secret Service guy on the roof?
Yeah.
Let's move over here.